What is the total demand for 13 5,000 watt dryers using the standard method? The correct answer is 29,250. To find this answer, we'll head to table 220.54. We're going to start on the left-hand side until we find our number of dryers and then come over and tee off with our demand factor. In this case, it gets a little bit trickier, but let's break it down one piece at a time. First thing we do is we find our total load. We take our 13 dryers, multiply them by 5,000, and that equals 65,000. Then we head to our table. It says here that we are to take a 47% base and then minus 1% for each dryer past 11. We have 13 dryers, so we take 13 minus the 11 base, and that gives us a 2% difference, meaning that we have a 2% reduction off of the 47% base. We take our 47% base, we minus the 2%, that gives us a new demand factor of 45%. We take our 65,000 original total load, we multiply it by 45%, and that gives us a new reduced load of 29,250.